Technoladzia, your head is still small, so if something silly happens, it's okay. Now it will be more comfortable. Our knees fit, the little desk from Destronic, now our knees fit, and we have up and down. I went to Carrefour to get products for our episode Viral TikTok Dishes recipes, so check it out, and I'm going in. A pallet of these boxes, look at the basket. Surprise, a 166 Polish zloty product for just 49.90. On both receipts, the guys ahead of me said, man, I'd take the whole pallet right now. That was the first time, and the second time I went, there was a lady in front of me too, so I guess it's pretty popular because I wasn't even at the checkout yet. And you're not allowed to bring it into the store, you have to buy it right away and you can't bring it in. Well, interesting story. I think they probably sell it in those small shops. It's like this every year because last year you guys did a test of baskets. I think those were baskets, but I don't know if they were from Carrefour. I think they were baskets from Auchan. I don't even remember, are we opening it the rough way? Did you get a bread knife ready? Yeah, what, do you need help or something because I just have a dull bread knife with a serrated edge? No, there shouldn't be any old stuff here. No, how could there be? Hey, this is foreign stuff. I don't know any of it. Hey, that's awesome, RC. They really thought this through. They put in things that won't match for them. But I thought we would get, you know, like snacks, that we would get food, and usually we'll have to test everything. Well, that's brilliant. All right, you take it out, take it out. No, let's take it all out. Let's just take everything out. Maybe he could play it. What is this? Some kind of cake, popcorn mix, caramel, chocolate, strawberry, original strawberry, and what kind of Pringles? And you, lemon crab for 49.90. I'll tell you, damn, it's a cool package. I feel naked, I feel undressed, I feel incomplete and not whole, but our merch is coming. Awesome, made in Poland, that's very important by a Polish producer, t-shirts, but for now the t-shirts are black for you because all the magic is hidden here. There will also be sets for you. Budget. Yeah, let's call it modern. Draw a badge, we have a lot of them and they're awesome. What did you get? I'm going with the flow. Today I'm going to eat shrimp. Okay, and what do I get? I've got a hammerhead shark and we're already dressed up. We'll change with the second box. What are you doing? Well, if you're going to go with the flow behind someone and you go to work and you're like, my boss is an idiot, and you point out where we start. And I've got popcorn. Well, that's good. Listen, chocolate super mix popcorn. Hey, interesting, yeah. And an interesting form, 4 flavors. So let's take 3 each and leave some for Kazisha. Wow, what a strong chemical smell. How is this original? It must have absorbed plastic from the packaging. But the yellow one was something, so yeah, the grain is good. Tasty grain, but it has an aftertaste. These yellow ones. Yellow, there are some yellow ones. They're like old, like rancid. And they're not in the ingredients. You know why? Because they're yellow. Palm oil with an antioxidant. And it caught on, they caught on, and it's old, weak. The regular crust is hopeless. First bite, crunchy, very good, sweet, damn, nice, good strawberry. I don't like strawberries, it doesn't taste good to me, looks nice, very thin sugar coating. If you gave it to me without showing it, I wouldn't call it a crust. No way. The flavors don't make sense. They added something that ruins it. Only the originals are good, though they're not amazing. Still, look, you've got goosebumps, Archie. Listen, take some. Oh wait, and what did you want to do? Should I put it in his mouth, give it to him, and explain what it is so he can experience popcorn? Did you feel it? I didn't taste the Parmesan. The sweet sugar overpowers it for me. It's not obvious that it's popcorn. I wouldn't have guessed it's popcorn, but maybe give it while you're still here. All right, fine. So super hot fingers, chili lemon, and real crab, but just chili lemon would have been enough. Don't give it. I'll show you something. The lid is different, but that's not the point. Look how narrow it is. I mean, never mind. It's a narrow little box. Well, because Asians are smaller, you know, I have ours. You can compare it to his. Ours is damn so thick. European size, Asian size. I agree with everything. A Pole has to eat. Oh no, how tiny it is. That's exactly what none of us expected. So we'll take out the second one. Look, what a scam. Hey, ours, they're rocking them to sleep. No smell, but there's chili. The chili comes through. More fish, lemon dominates, and the dough is thicker, but thick dough. How hopeless ours are, but they have stripes. You see that? In my opinion, the texture is awesome. I don't know what it'll be like when I try a better one, but these aren't really potato ones anymore. Well, I'd say these are some kind of stripes, but the stripes aren't potato at all. Yeah, there are these and those in the store, the ones you pick. Well, these are definitely me, I guess, because these have some character. These are kind of bland. So, boss, are you staying with us a bit longer? Yeah, exactly. I was about to leave, but it looks so nice here. Let's have a drink. 3 glasses of non-alcoholic cider from Japan. That's awesome. Oh no, don't say that, Kuba. Can you hand me a towel? Oh no, really, not like this. Non-alcoholic means I wish it had alcohol. I could manage if it did. Non-alcoholic drinks usually smell like a dirty fridge and old onion. Oh Jesus, I'm too sensitive. No, you have to smell this. Oh God, I sniffed it. No, don't swallow. We'll take it or you'll throw up. Swallow. We'll take it. Oh, Jesus, Mary. Come on, Andre. This is better. Fermented onion. Try it. I can't. And that's just the smell. Don't sniff it. She's going to drink it. It's just the smell. It's a trick. No, I don't want to. Listen, so you don't think there's some skinny guy and crazy one here on purpose? No, not you, because he can't disconnect everything me. Kebabs, pork chops, simple things. This is cruel, and this drink legally costs $14.99 from the shelf. Oh God, I haven't eaten this yet. For me, it's a cruel topic. Do you have those chocolate hairs? I think it's like Turkish halva or cotton candy, that's what I think, and it's a combination. But the box is cool. Listen, 100 grams, what's the difference? So I wouldn't buy it. I thought it was less, not a bar, but something like this. Not blush, just regular blush. Powder blush won't help, it's just old now. And you have to do it the way it broke. Olaga, look at this now. Hey, great, like wool in the roof smells like soap. Wool with that hair, look like a little goat beard. Coins, coins, look, someone eats this. This is a weirdo, margarine with flavoring. This is the cheapest chocolate, the worst we know. If I compared it to white chocolate, it's just chemical, hopeless, because it has nothing to do with real chocolate. This is cotton candy, but I'll tell you, this cotton candy melts perfectly into the chocolate. It disappears right away. If you cared about the chocolate quality, or maybe tried something besides strawberry, it might be interesting, but there's nothing good here. This works perfectly. You open it and I'll find the price. 35 zlotys. Excuse me, that's the TikTok price so you can record a video? Oh no, I feel robbed, I missed this one. This is like Dubai chocolate, you know? Let's try the cotton candy, it falls apart. For 5 zlotys, it's just normal cotton candy. Oh wow, cola, all right, but Coca-Cola. But at first you taste gingerbread cookies and cider. Oh wow, and I like cola, but I like cola lollipops, candies, but this is the kind where you get a refill, this kind of cola, and I like that, oh wow. For me, it's too sweet, damn, but you know what? I ate it twice, it's just too sweet. Krzysztof, we'll call you when we're ready, okay? Since I'm choosing my dish now and there's a cake to make and bake, we'll do that. We'll take a short break to make it, then I'll call you and Pimosh about the dish. Preheat the oven, grease the bottom of the pan, and in a large bowl, thoroughly mix the contents of the package with 250 ml of water. You have 50 ml water in the pan ready, pour it in and let it set. 1 liter vegetable oil, 3 eggs, mix on medium speed or by hand for 2 minutes. We'll use a mixer, then pour the batter into the pan. I'll pour it into the mold, Archer, but do you think it might rise like muffins and overflow, making one big muffin? I think a bigger one would be better. If he invites me for coffee like this, I won't go if it's flat. It needs to rise, right? Do you think it will? I think it'll fill the bowl, which is great. I suggest we check in 15 minutes and we need to stick a toothpick in to see if it comes out clean. Let's move on to the next good thing. Well, I made the first one. What is this, mister? Oh damn, Corsairs, watch out, oven snacks with a flavor you'll find among Mediterranean, I lied, among Mediterranean herbs. Oh damn. But there's a bit of sesame and a bit, probably nothing more. I was just expecting more, but whatever. You know, these are those biscuit sticks, thick ones. These are thick biscuit sticks. The sesame does most of the work. They're thicker, right? That's okay too, but it's tasty. It's not that you can't eat it. I wonder how much these grissini sticks cost. They're from Biedronka and seem expensive, but I think it's a fair price. I'll tell you why, because I like these small packages, because sometimes I get tempted. Yeah, I know. Oh, and I'd take a package like that for myself. Yeah, that's good, 2.99. In my opinion, that's a good price. Yeah, I think so too, let's go with it. No and yes, because we'll have 2 of the same. Classic Italian snacks with olive oil. The salted version uses wheat flour, high oleic sunflower oil, salt, and extra virgin olive oil. This one's a nicer twisted texture, kind of like a kitten pooped. I think I prefer the other one, but it's still a good product. You can buy either at the store. So, Artur, which do you choose? Oh, this one's sweet Turkish. Yeah, damn, strawberry. And I think it's some kind of mochi. I don't really like it. Oh man, what a texture. Do you like it? It looks really cool. Look, I hate it. It's like I opened a mussel. Oh wow, that's even worse. But hey, it smells nice. Did you smell it? I mean, do you have your own? The flour is so delicate, it's not worth going to the store for. I think they use it to supplement pensions, but how am I supposed to eat this? I haven't seen it. Why is it covered with that stuff? Do you like it? Let's open the second one anyway. Actually, what is this? I don't know. Right, so this is Jash bean that got angry, meaning red bean. Oh man, it's the same again. Yeah, the same. That's why I wanted a different flavor, but it's identical. Actually, here you go. I'll say it's exactly the same as the previous piece. Our plums from Wentushanki are much better. This bean doesn't taste like a plum at all, but it's all right. I would eat only the inside, not the outside, because they taste strange. Come on, those eggs will be good, Archie. You probably want some, what kind? Dubai-style eggs, that's expensive. Chocolate and milk eggs with pistachio filling, kunafa, and candies. I didn't expect that. I think these will be little balls like in a box of chocolates, 20 pieces in a package, but they look like eggs. Oh, don't give me two. Hey, that's it, that's all. But it's a terrible product, exactly, sadly. Cheap chocolate, cheap fat, overrated. That's what Clava. If we're going for pistachios, then Moretti al pistachio. Oh damn, what a butter, so buttery. But it's going to be fatty. There's some kind of paste on a cookie, such a shortbread cookie. How did they make this cookie? They made the cookie as if the crumble was molded. So what now, Claver? We've got the second to last thing left. All right, let's go and call the guys. We'll give them what we think is good. Popping candy water lemon. I think these are powdered lollipops. You dip the lollipop in the powder. You like them since you eat lollipops. I rarely do, but I enjoy them. Oh no, that doesn't look, wow, what a lollipop. That's the kind we have for 50 groszy. This is probably the coolest, right? Maybe you have to try it this way. It's strong and pops hard. I've never had them like this before. The lollipop is average and weak, just popping soda powder. The cake needs 10 more minutes, I forgot. Let's call Primoz and Krzysztof, okay? We're here. Primoz hasn't joined us yet. You're quick, go ahead. Please, get yours quickly.
Damn.
Until
My eyes got teary. Try it for real. It's some kind of fermented stuff. You know, it's kind of like Alka-Seltzer with an egg. Kind of like onion. Like fake onion. It's like onion. Alka-Seltzer. Something medicinal. That's the onion. No, that's onion juice. Mixed onion juice.
Onion juice to drink.
Do we want a chip?
No. This choice is obvious. I want to quickly eat one. What is it?
Is this choice obvious?
You can't drink a chip.
Looks good. Mini cupcake, but why does it fall apart? Wow, it's so soft.
Good, now do it like this. Pour half and half into your mouth. Can I do it this way?
With your fingers too.
No, you can't use your fingers. Oh, watermelon, sour, fireworks kiss. Now that was all Krzysztof watermelon. Haha, paints, ooh, and...
haha.
Damn, it feels like bubble wrap popped in my head, like something exploded inside me.
No, cool, it's fine. You have the whole package, then, you know, you freeze right away. Take a few, but it's weird.
Because of you, sweetie, it tastes weak.
Weak, I'd say the same. Yeah, I'm a bit scared. Do you eat all of it or?
Like sushi, right?
I don't like this. Generally, it's bad, kind of greasy. It's like someone tried to invent dumplings.
It looks like someone gave you a dumpling. What flavor is it? That's important. Eat the filling. I've already tried it. It's bland. Squeeze it out. Schlipka will praise you for thinking like us. Last product, gentlemen. Arthur is opening it. Try a bite. Maybe things will change.
Taste also strong. Just more expensive because it's in wrappers. Slap yourself. Come on, try it. But it's good, in my opinion. From this,
From what you tried, we all Krzysztof half Primoz, half your picks of the episode. For me, the cotton candy is #1. Primoz, cotton candy is cool.
Wait, was there anything else that was good? Yeah, the Popolo too. You, the cake. Nah, nothing really blew me away.
I can do 50-50 popcorn and 3 glasses. The good stuff popcorn.
Popcorn is my top choice, then my second favorite, and third is cotton candy. That's the order I'd buy them.
What is this, a Japanese recipe?
No, it's just powdered cake. You shouldn't eat it hot, but it's still a delicacy. Airy. It's airy, but light and airy. I don't feel any fat at all. I don't feel any heaviness. Not good. Okay, I have to say, I would have to make the cake myself to make it right.
A scoop of ice cream on top. Leave it for me.
I'll make myself some tea.
Oh, Pitpole. Subscribe so you don't lose track of us and see what Kerfer puts in the packages. We're cleaning up and moving on.